So I'm house sitting for my sister for 5 days, and I'm gonna try a DIY facial, and you're gonna see the recipe here in a second. I do that for 5 days every day and see what happens.
My name is Solstice Elliott. I'm 46 years old, and this is my vlog where I share with you my adventures of how I stay youthful inside and out through conscious living and personal transformation.
Thanks for watching Soul Tribes. Subscribe and be part of my tribe.
Good morning. So I'm at my sister's in Boise, and she has this really great house. It's beautiful. But knowing me, if there's a place to sleep outside, I'm gonna sleep outside. So here I am on her deck. Because there's the hot tub and the pool and the sunrise. Okay, you see my breath? Yeah, so I had a lot of fun with my nieces and nephews yesterday, playing down by the creek. This is what happens when I'm barefoot and I can't walk back on my...
I have Reebok.
This is my horse, Mallory. All right, let me get off, Mallory.
No problem.
Woo, that is cold. That is cold. That is cold. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. And she's keeping them protected. She's checking out for us.
They're so fast.
Listen to them. Listen.
There's 8 of them. Hi guys. They're so cute. The current helps them. They're just like right behind her. Oh yes.
See, I was asking about the snookies.
No, I want to catch it. You want to catch it? I think he's gonna blow it.
Oh, does he really want to? Oh, he doesn't want to be pulled out of the ground. Don't make him do it.
Sorry, I really just want to see snake.
Snaky.
Careful.
Wow. Whoa. It's pretty far back there. So it's pretty clay. Oh, it's all quiet in here. No echo. Wow, that's kind of cool. Then you guys, ooh, you could do like a greenhouse, like we put like a window, like like
Oh, that sounds kind of neat.
like a cellar.
So if you remember from my last episode, my pilot episode, I went and got a facial done at the Veda Institute, and it did not resolve this facial issue. So I'm house sitting for my sister for 5 days, and I'm gonna try a DIY facial, and you're gonna see the recipe here in a second. I do that for 5 days every day and see what happens.
So for my turmeric banana peel yogurt face mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of plain organic yogurt, 1 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey, 1/4 of a ripe banana, 1/4 of a ripe avocado, 1 banana peel chopped, 1 small aloe leaf filleted. I actually grow this in my van. 2 drops peppermint essential oil, and 2 drops tea tree oil. Blend it all up. You may need to add a little bit of water to make a nice, smooth, fluffy paste. It'll have the consistency of pudding or mousse. So I've rinsed my face and patted it dry. I don't have a special brush thing, so I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers. So far it feels really cooling and very nice. Probably the peppermint. I feel like the yogurt is gonna kill any sort of virus, bacteria, or fungal. Turmeric's going to take care of any inflammation, and the tea tree will take care of any fungal. Same with the peppermint oil. So it kind of just covers all levels: virus, antiviral, antibacterial, antioxidants. Looks good. It's supposed to help with like dark spots, which I don't even feel that concerned about. But I have freckles, but I definitely don't like this red uncomfortableness on my face. You gotta love the lawnmower in the background. Yesterday it was the weed whacker. Love living in suburbia. No escaping all of the noise. I'm the Grinch, yeah, I know. A Grinch with a yellow face instead of a green face. Release the jaw! Yay! That rash has never been that bad. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. It looks so funky. Look at my face. I can barely move my mouth. You want to use a dark towel because turmeric can stain. So far so good. My face does look a little clearer, so we'll see if it's just because it feels moisturized right now or how it goes throughout the day. So I'll keep you informed of my 5 days of this. That's right. It's a do nothing day. Just lie here in the sun. Don't do anything. Not even binge watch on Netflix. Nah. So this is day 2. And you can see some of the turmeric still. Still kind of dry and kind of hot. come on. You can do it. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just go up this hill for a little bit and then we'll turn it around, okay? Now we're heading back and he can't go any faster. He just can't get wait fast enough to go home. Dexter. No, come here. Come here. Dexter. What's the matter? Okay, you need to calm down. Calm down. No more chewing the sleeping bag, okay?
Oh my goodness. You're so cute this morning. Oh.
Come on, Dexter, let's go. It's more like a tug of war than like a walk. Come on. That's right, go in front of me. This is more like the human pulling the dog. That's right. Good job, though. Good job. Getting so much better. Do you think he likes me?
My new ergonomically correct pillow.
It's a do nothing day again. It's been a long time since I felt this sort of heavy, deep exhaustion where you can barely lift yourself out of bed. I've noticed that sometimes this heaviness comes from when there's like a coronal mass ejection.
Look at this. A goose feather. Hey, pretty lady. I'm interested in you. Do you mind if I come into your space? Step into your boundaries? Get a little closer?
Compared to working in my little kitchen in the van, I think if I had a Fitbit, I would find out that I walk at least a mile every day, just walking around this kitchen, cleaning or making food. When you're house sitting, that's the best time to do food prep to get ready to go on the road, especially if you're going to use the blender, because I don't have enough power to run a blender. And today I'm going to make my white bean and lemon and rosemary bean dip, and my friend Mitch, who's such a foodie, like just went gaga over it. It's very simple to make, and you'll find the recipe in the link up here.
Muy delicioso. When you're house sitting, it's the best time to get some deep cleaning done on the van because you have easy access to a washer machine and it's free. Sorry, dog. Time to change the sheets. Come on. I'm sorry, but I gotta get the sheets. I gotta get them washed. I gotta go. Beautiful. Those look so yummy. What do you think?
That's not bad.
And it's the premiere.
The Odyssey, I really wanted all the conveniences and comforts.
I'm seeing it on the big screen. The big moment.
But the truth
Ooh, I like that shot.
of a minivan. This thing is like a
So I have now left my sister's place and now I'm heading off to this off-grid cabin that has a hot spring or a hot tub, hot spring, like right on the river. I am so super stoked and excited. My friends are just treating me to this beautiful cabin and they've got this cool side-by-side